You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trophy. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Hairvivi fake scalp wig 2.0. So right now I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. The wig comes with an adjustable elastic band, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. It depends on your comfort level, and the elastic band can also be removed in case you want to add your own elastic band to it. It has two clips on the side and it has a clip on the back. As you can see, they already did the fake scalp for you, so you don't have to worry about putting on a wig cap or anything. It's already inside of the wig, which is perfect. I'm trying on this wig so you guys can see how it looks straight out the pack. Just pulling out the wig, it already looks really nice. It already looks like it was flat ironed. And the hairline, I'm not going to mess with it or do anything to it. The hairline already comes pre-plucked, so as you can see, it has, like, they did a pretty good job of plucking the hairline, so I'm not going to pluck it at all. And then the knots already came pre-bleached. So basically all I'm going to do is cut it, which is what I'm doing right now, and I'm cutting the hair really close to the as close to the hairline as possible, where the hair meets the lace, so that it can have like a flawless look. So this is Hairvivi's Fake Scalp 2.0, and this one is supposed to address the longevity concerns, because I guess people are having problems with the fake scalp lasting as long because of the way that the scalp part was on there, but now it has like an extra layer of lace, so it's more durable. Right now I'm just parting it in different areas so you guys can see that you can pretty much part it wherever you want to in the front. You can do a side part, you can do a middle part. If you want to do a braid style in the front, you can totally do that. If you want to put it in a ponytail or pull it back in the front, you can also do that. The parting space looks really good from all angles. I decided to do a side part, and I'm just flat ironing my hair because, you know, the wig came with a middle part, so it was already pretty much trained, and since I didn't wash the hair, I'm just flat ironing it so that I can train the part really quickly. I need to get one of those hot combs, because those are really good if you want to train your hair and make it lay without having to wash it and do all that type of stuff. Here's what the hair looks like straight out the pack. This is before I even flat ironed it. In the beginning of the day when I had the side part, I didn't flat iron it. I didn't do that till later on, and you can see the hairline. The lace does not absolutely match my skin tone. You can see that it's very slightly off, but it looks really good, especially in person. It looks amazing. So if you want to make sure your lace matches, you can do other techniques like using your foundation or using that tanning spray to tint your lace, but it was almost perfect. And this is later on in the day I decided to go back to the middle part because I think the middle part looks really good on me, so I'm just flat ironing it back. I already have like a little bump in it, so I'm just flat ironing it back, and now I have my middle part, and I think I'm gonna add some baby hairs to it later on because the lace, since it doesn't match my skin tone perfectly, I think it'll look way better if I added some baby hairs. I should have did that in this video, but all in all, I think the hair looks amazing. The actual feel of the hair is really good. As you can see, I mean, you can just see from the video, the texture of it is so bouncy, it's so pretty, it has so much luster. I didn't really receive that much shedding. It was a few strands that came whenever I was brushing my hair and styling it, but it looks really good in my opinion, and I didn't even have that many flyaways, surprisingly. So this is my finished look, the end result, you guys. This fake scalp wig is where it's at. It looks so good. You don't have to do all the extra stuff, you don't have to do all the extra customizing. It looks really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more information on this wig, I have all information down below in the description box. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Go girl, only with trophy. Yeah, go girl.